Pathways testing. How is the testing performed? Pathways testing is performed by swabbing the perimeter of the building with special microfiber swabs. The testing is typically conducted in 3 rounds to capture the full range of conditions within the building. Round 1. Only light cleaning, such as sweeping, may be performed before the initial round of testing. If detailed cleaning has been done, wait at least 2 weeks before testing. After receiving the results from Round 1, you may proceed to Round 2. Results from this first round provide a baseline, which is used to determine the initial levels of protein and peptide bonds for monitoring the progress of the sampled areas. Round 2. After receiving Round 1 test results, thoroughly clean the sampled areas that showed elevated levels using the effective cleaning methods demonstrated in our effective cleaning video, which can be found on our website and YouTube channel. Immediately after cleaning, within 24 hours, collect Round 2 pathways samples from these same elevated cleaned locations. This second round of testing will help determine if the cleaning was successful. Round 3. 2 weeks after the effective cleaning and Round 2 testing, retest all elevated areas identified in your Round 1 results. The results from Round 3 can identify locations of elevated protein and peptide bonds, or hotspots, as well as their growth rate. This information helps determine where remediation is necessary or how frequently an area should be cleaned to keep contaminants under control when remediation isn't an option. For complete instructions on the pathways testing process and how to collect samples, please visit our YouTube channel and our website, linked in our profile.